Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the Huawei model and MIUI version, so you pick the correct method. Make a full backup to PC or cloud because unlocking can erase data. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times and then turn on USB debugging. This gives you access to fast boot and a DB. Once done, install Huawei drivers and ADB/fastboot on your computer. Now connect the phone via USB and verify a DB recognizes the device, so you can proceed safely. You now boot the phone into fastboot to perform the unlock sequence because the Wi-Fi lock is enforced at the firmware level. With the device connected and recognized, run fastboot devices to confirm, then use fastboot OEM unlock plus the unlock code if you have one. If no code, use an authorized third-party tool that supports your model. Follow exact prompts and confirm each step. Make sure to watch the terminal for errors and do not disconnect while flashing or changing bootloader flags. You finish by rebooting the phone and immediately checking Wi-Fi functionality and network scanning. This ensures the lock is removed. If the lock persists, perform a factory reset, then restore your backup. Sometimes stateful flags need clearing. When things go wrong, recheck drivers, try a different USB cable or port, and confirm your fastboot tool supports the exact MIUI build. If errors show, capture logs and compare error strings against known fixes before repeating the unlock steps to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.